Hello students, how are you all? Myself, Mrs. Shainy from Mother of Hope School, Asharam. Today we will start with the very first lesson of grammar, that is lesson number 1, sentences for standard 6th. In this lesson, we are going to learn about sentences, phrases, subject and predicate. So students, first we will start with sentences. To speak, read and write, we make use of sentences. So let's learn what is a sentence. A collection of words that are arranged to put forward a sensible thought is called a sentence. Now what does this mean? A sentence is collection of words, or it is a group of words that are arranged in such a way that they put forward a sensible thought. That is, they tell us something which makes sense. It is sensible to us. So only when a group of words makes sense, it is called a sentence. So students, now let's understand this with the help of an example. A big house he lives in. Now, though these are a group of words, it does not make a complete sense. So, we cannot call this as a sentence, isn't it? Yes. Now, let's rearrange this group of words. He lives in a big house. Now, this group of words makes some sense. So, it is called a sentence. Have you all understood? Yes. Students, also remember that all sentences begin with a capital letter, but they ends with a full stop, question mark or exclamation mark. Now let's see few more examples. Students, look at the picture and then read these groups of words. First, sky, a bird, the, in is flying. Second, bird, the, at, look. Third, flying, the, is, bird, where. Fourth, bird, beautiful, how, is, the. Students, do this group of words make any sense? No, they do not make sense. Now read the words in another order. First, a bird is flying in the sky. Second, look at the bird. Third, where is the bird flying? Fourth, how beautiful the bird is. Now, each group of words above expresses complete sense is called a sentence. So students, I hope that now you are clear with what is a sentence. Now let's move further. Next we are going to learn about phrases. Sometimes a group of words may make some sense but not complete sense. Such group of words is called a phrase. A phrase can be long or short, but it does not contain a subject completing an action. So students, now let us understand this with the help of examples. For example, a red fox. Now, this is just a group of words. It does not have a subject, it does not have a verb, and it doesn't make a complete sense. So, it is known as phrases. Have you all understood? Yes. Next example, in the town. This is also just a group of words. It does not have a subject, it does not have a verb, and it doesn't make a complete sense. So it is known as phrases. Is it clear to all? Okay, now next example. A piece of cake. Now this is also just a group of words. It does not have a subject, it does not have a verb, and it doesn't make a complete sense. So it is known as phrases. So have you all understood? Yes. So students, I think now you are clear with what is phrases. Okay, now let's move further. Next we are going to learn about subject and predicate. In every sentence we mention a person, place or thing, and then we say something about that person, place or thing. The person, place or thing we mention is the subject, means about whom we are talking, that is the subject. Whatever we say about the person, place or thing is the predicate. So now let's understand this with the help of examples. Look at the sentence below. The postman brings letters. Now if you ask a question, who brings the letters? The postman. About whom we are talking in this sentence? The postman. So the postman is a subject. And what does he brings? What you are saying about him? That he brings letters. So brings letters is a predicate. Is it clear? Okay. Next example. Pandit Nehru was a great leader. Now students, if you ask a question, who was a great leader? Pandit Nehru. About whom we are talking in the sentence? Pandit Nehru. So Pandit Nehru is a subject. And about him, what you are saying? That was a great leader. So was a great leader is a predicate. Next example. A monkey jumps on a tree. Now if you ask a question, who jumps on a tree? A monkey. So a monkey is a subject. And about monkey, what you are saying? Jumps on a tree. So jumps on a tree is a predicate. So students, I think now you are clear about what is subject and what is predicate. So by this, we have come to an end of this lesson. So let's revise what we have learned today. So we have learned today about sentences. What is a sentence? A collection of words that are arranged to put forward a sensible thought is called a sentence. Okay. Next, phrases. What is phrases? Sometimes a group of words may make some sense, but not complete sense. Such group of words is called a phrase. A phrase can be long or short, but it does not contain a subject completing an action. Is it clear to all? Okay, now next. Subject and predicate. In every sentence, we mention a person, place, or thing, and then we say something about that person, place, or thing. The person, place, or thing we mention is the subject. Whatever we say about the person, place, or thing is the predicate. So now students, I hope that you are clear with what is a sentence, what is phrases, and what is subject and predicate. I hope that you have understood this lesson very well. Okay, thank you.